In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use NotebookLM with Google Docs. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring your Google Docs into a NotebookLM notebook so you can organize, explore, and reference your content in one place. Start by heading to notebooklm.google.com in your browser. This is Google's AI-powered workspace designed to help you work with your own materials. Give the page a moment to load so the dashboard fully appears. If you haven't used it before, don't worry. Everything we'll do is straightforward and quick. Once you're in, either create a new notebook or open one you've already started. Creating a new notebook is perfect for a fresh project or a dedicated topic. Opening an existing notebook works well if you already have a hub for your research and just want to add more sources. Take a second to give your notebook a clear name so it's easy to find later. Inside the notebook, look for the Add Sources button. You'll typically see it in the left sidebar and often right in the center of an empty notebook as well. Think of sources as the documents NotebookLM will reference. Adding sources is what turns a blank notebook into a powerful workspace anchored to your own content. Choose the Drive option next. Google Docs live in Google Drive automatically under your account, so Drive is the most direct way to bring your docs into NotebookLM. This keeps everything in the same ecosystem and avoids downloading or re-uploading files. When the Drive Picker opens, click on My Drive. This view shows your personal Drive files and folders just like you'd see in drive.google.com. If your documents are organized into folders, navigate to the folder where your docs live. Taking a moment to locate the right folder now will make it easier to keep the notebook clean and focused. Now select the Google Docs you want to use as sources. You can pick a single doc for a tight focus notebook, or select multiple docs to bring in a broader set of materials. Confirm your selection and NotebookLM will attach them to the notebook. You should see each doc listed as a source, usually with its title and a status indicator as it loads. That's it. You've connected Google Docs to your NotebookLM notebook through Drive. From here, your docs are ready to be explored inside the notebook, so you can reference them, stay organized, and keep your research in one place. If you ever need to refine the setup, just return to Add Sources to include more docs or remove ones you no longer need.